Alright, this is how to change the oil on a Hyundai Accent. First thing you're going to want to do is jack your car up off the ground. Be sure to use some jack stands. Next thing we're going to do is come underneath the car. It's on the front driver's passenger side. Get your oil tray here, and the oil plug is right here in front, fairly convenient. Your oil filter is right here, so break loose your drain plug. That's a 17 millimeter, and then also take your oil filter off. Make sure if your engine was hot, you don't burn yourself with the hot oil. Alright, I can hear you already saying, how did you get that oil filter off? It's in such a tight spot. And the last person that put it on really cranked it down and I can't get it off. Well, a couple options. One, get yourself a big set of channel locks and crank it off that way. Two, you could get one of those oil filter socket things, although I think they're junk. And three, you could stick a screwdriver through it to turn it and loosen it up. Although I would do that as a last resort, because if you can't get it off at all, and you say, I just need to take this to the quick change and they can deal with it, well, it's going to be hard to drive it there with holes in your oil filter. This is an extra credit step. You can pre-fill your oil filter a little bit with oil. It's not necessary, but it can help get oil back up into your engine quicker. The other thing here that you want to do is you want to put a nice ring of oil, nice liberal amount of oil around the seal here so that it doesn't stick next time that you're taking your oil filter off. So just pre-wet this seal with some oil. Use a good liberal amount. Alright, we've got our oil filter back in, got our drain plug back in, so now we're going to go up top and fill it back up with oil. So we've got our cap off here. The next thing that we're going to do, I put a filter in there. What I do for every single kind of oil change that I do, I fill it up until it's to the full slash on your dipstick, and then I put the cap back on, start the engine up, let it run for about 15-20 seconds so that I know the oil has gotten through all the passages and filled up the oil filter. I shut the car off, let it sit for a minute, and then check the oil level again, and then fill it up till it's to the full slash again. So that's what I'm going to do here. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to the channel, that would really help me out. Thanks. Have a good one.